Welcome to GemLightbox. At Pickup Media, we have worked with over 2,000 jewelers worldwide. And one of the biggest challenges that our jewelers faced was that capturing studio quality jewelry images and videos was very difficult. That's when our team went to work to create the GemLightbox, the world's first smartphone jewelry lightbox that lets anyone capture studio quality jewelry images and videos with nothing more than a smartphone.
So I've been mining and cutting stones for almost 50 years all over the world. Always had a hard time. We were either doing thousands of dollars of complex photography equipment to get pictures that don't equalize the quality of these or the color accuracy. I saw it, I bought it, happy as could be.
To capture videos, simply place your jewelry inside the GemLightbox. Tap to focus, adjust the brightness, and lastly, click to capture. We also have the option to create a 90-degree video where the turntable will stop at 90 degrees. This is usually used for gemstones and certain engagement rings.